Honorable Dr. Shivkumaraya, CEO of Siddharanga Institute of Technology, is a taskmaster, an able executor, and has versatile administrative experience. May I now request our Honorable CEO, Dr. Shivkumaraya, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon to all of you. Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. At the outset, I offer my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivkumar Swamiji and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. And also I offer my salutations to Mahatma Gandhiji, Lal Bahadur Shastri and Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. Now we have heard feedback from our distinguished alumni. First of all, I thank the alumni and their family friends for making it convenient to attend this general body meeting of SIT Alumni Association. I also thank the distinguished alumni who have responded to our invitation and accepted our honor. And I once again thank all those distinguished alumni. Now, Jaishin and Manjunath mentioned about helping the institute in terms of entrepreneurship or incubation or innovation. Definitely, we will make use of your expertise. Now, recently, National Board of Accreditation Treaty visited for accrediting 4 of our engineering programs. I myself and other 2-3 of my colleagues were interacting with the chairman. Chairman was asking so many questions about industry institute interaction. He mentioned, if you simply invite industry experts for delivering lecture, I will not consider it as institute-industry interaction. You should involve the industry experts in your curriculum development and also syllabus preparation and course delivery, partial or full course delivery. Now, to some extent it has happened in a few departments, but it has not happened in a great deal. Now, on this occasion, I appeal to our alumni or industry experts, please help us in this regard. That is, please involve yourself. We will send invitation to you. The heads of departments will contact, they will invite you. You please help us in framing the curriculum that is industry relevant and syllabus, and also you help us in course delivery, either it is partial or full course. That is, in weekends you can come to the your alma mater, SIT, and help our present students. Now, Manjunath was telling that is the confidence level of the students is less. I do agree that if there is a feedback I do get from the employers. They say they have good CGPA, good percentage of marks, but sometimes they are not even opening their mouth. But we spend a lot of money on training the students. Every year the institute spends about 70 lakhs on training the students itself. That is starting from first year till 7th semester. Every semester we train the students on this professional development program, and we have soft skill program and also aptitude related analytical skills. Now, because they were not taking seriously, we have made some courses credit courses now. Even earlier, communicative English, it was a mandatory course. They were not taking it seriously. Therefore, we have made it a credit course because we are autonomous. We have the freedom, and we need not wait like university to revise the syllabus for 4 years. Every year we can revise the syllabus. Even in the middle of the year, we take such decisions because TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, approached us in the middle to introduce a course, Enterprise Content Management, for computer science and information science engineering students. And the subject that is using Adobe software. Now they supported us for the cost of the software also. In the middle of the year, we took a decision. We convened the Board of Studies meeting. We took the approval from the Academic Council and we introduced. That is possible. Therefore, you please help us in this regard. And we will take the help of Manjunath to enthuse our students and to build their confidence level. Now, once again, I thank all of you for attending this meeting. Now, our senior alumnus Ramegoda mentioned about the construction of the Sita Convention Hall. Now 2014 it was a grand success. We had Golden Jubilee Alumni Meet in which 1,400 alumni across 24 countries they attended along with their family members. Total audience was 2,500. Now, on that occasion, we have promised to Swamiji, as put it by Sri Ramegoda, that a convention center will be in place. In another 4 years, the institute will be celebrating Diamond Jubilee. Before Diamond Jubilee, I wish this convention hall will be in place. Now, all contributions are exempted from ATG. Therefore, you can also avail that benefit. I once again thank all of you for attending this alumni meet. Thank you all.